So a couple months ago I got one of these component testers here and I quite like it. The leads I don't quite like so much. They're okay when it's the really small transistors and that sort of thing. I often find these also kind of come apart and they're a little iffy. And sticking all three of these leads into the little holes on here and then pushing the arm down can be kind of a pain sometimes. These little clips won't even properly hook onto a lead like this off of a diode. So it's for tiny leads. So often I have a bigger thing, something bigger that I want to clip into this thing and just test it. So I made this up. It has 3 alligator clips on it, and the colors here correspond to the black and the red. It's blue on here, but I didn't have blue, so in green goes. I took and lopped off an end of one of these terminal strips here. I did the yellow, and then that way I could mark the black one. So I put the black one here into the black hole on here, and that way I can just push this down and it's done. These are on 1/10 of an inch spacing and these are on 1/10 of an inch spacing, so it fits perfectly. Easy then to just hook a larger component into this and take a measurement with it, and it clips on just nicely. We click this guy and we find out that this is a PNP transistor with a beta of about 63. Pretty easy, really handy, and I haven't taken these guys apart, so I still have those for whatever I might need. But it's sure easy to put this into that little hole right there and just clip it down and it's done.